Hey everybody, it's Pam from Patio and Pizza Outdoor Furnishings, and I am super excited today to open the Bertello wood and gas-fired pizza oven. Now this is the oven that was seen on Shark Tank, and Kevin O'Leary is the business partner with this company. I'm super excited about it because normally I'm cooking in much larger ovens, and I'm usually doing wood-fired or potentially just gas only. But this little beauty says it will do wood and gas-fired at the same time. So I'm really excited to test it out and see what we've got. So let's get into opening the box. Cut off the straps that hold it in. Dun, dun, dun. Got our pizza peel. Like it. Instructions, always good. All right, handy dandy infrared thermometer. These are very nice, and I say always use these when you're trying to check the temperature of your oven. Now this is handy, I just realized. Let's put this here. But now, oh, the reveal. Nice. So let's just make this easy peasy. I love how that opened right up, the sides coming down. Don't have to hurt your back pulling everything out. Now this is an outdoor oven, but I'm opening it inside right now, but then we will get it fired up and installed outdoors where we're going to use it. So let's see what else we have. This looks like the potential door. We'll take all the pieces out and then we'll put it together. This looks like the wood chamber and the gas chamber. It's like a handy cover. Always cover when not in use. Some nice tongs. Comes the oven. Let's see, let's ready to get this out. Lift. Set it down nicely. Obviously this oven is not too heavy because, as you can see, I'm not exactly a weightlifter, and I'm able to manage just well. Just fine. All right, so now, let's see what we've got here. It's packed really well. Everything looks perfect. Everything is in its place. It's packed very well. Even inside, looks like that's the back, so even inside, looks like they've got some cardboard containers inside to hold everything inside. All right, let's open everything up. So here we have the gas burner. And I believe this is configured with propane for now, but you can get it configured with, you can get a natural gas burner, I believe. This looks like we're going to put the charcoal or wood. Let's look at our infrared thermometer. Comes with a battery, perfect. Using that. Got a nice cover. This will be great when you're leaving it out, cover it up. You don't want to have to put it up, you can just cover it. Oh, that's handy dandy. It's got a nice stretch cover, which is super, super easy. And it looks like it's long enough, obviously, the way it's laid out to keep the gas. So you're going to be able to put the gas piece on it as well. So it looks like we're going to be able to keep everything together when we put the cover on it. That's nice. This, I believe, covers this fuel door in the back, which we'll look at in a minute. Let's clean up. Okay, this pizza peel. Looks pretty handy dandy. Look at this. I think you just loosen. It's going to do something magic here in a second. This is the way it's shipped. I'm smarter than the pizza peel. Maybe. I might be smarter than the pizza peel. I thought I could just twist it around. That may not be the case. So we'll just, oh, the way it's shipped, yeah, it looks like there's one piece on here, so you actually have to take it off, turn it around, and put it back on. That's no big deal. I thought it might swivel, but there you go. Nice pizza peel. And I like that it's perforated. So it's got holes in it, which will make it nice when you're trying to get your pizzas out of the oven. Actually putting them in as well. Okay, now let's get to the meat of this thing. Use some scissors. It's very well shrink wrapped with plastic. So just cut over here. It says Bertello on the side. Let's see. So it looks like we have some goodies in here. Let's move this to the side. So I think there's going to be a stone, baking stone. Appropriate system for getting this out. I don't know it, so I'm just going to do what I do best and pull it. Okay, this is going to be the baking stone. I think it's just in there really tight, which is good. Certainly don't want this breaking when it's coming out. It probably tells you in the instructions how to do this easier. I can actually read the instructions, so I'm just going to do like probably most of you are going to do. You just get something, open it, and then try and use it. Turn it towards me so I think I just have to shimmy it a little better than I'm shimmying. Aha, here we go. Okay, now I have opened the end of the box so I can pull this out. Nice, no cracks, thank goodness. It's never fun to get some fun new toy and then have it broken. Wah. Okay, and then more goodies. Let's just see what's in here. I believe. Okay, this I believe is going to be the container for if you're just using charcoal or wood and no gas. Very nice. So this is going to go in there. And again, I haven't read the instructions. I'm just going based on what I see. And before I use this, I will read the instructions. But for now, just see how it's going to fit in. Okay, that's awesome. So if we're not using the gas, we're just going to put this little component in, and we're going to put our wood and charcoal in here and cook that way. And then of course we have our door. Goes right here. That's nice. And then inside, a little more of my cardboard. As you can see inside, I just put the stone in, and it sits right on, looks like right on these little components. I'll do a close-up in a minute. And then also, I'm going to lift this up. Just realized it's got fold-out feet. So we're going to fold this out. Aha! Very nice. So that's great. So whatever surface you're putting this on should not get super hot because obviously it's up off of the ground. I took out the wood component. So now we're looking at the gas component. And the gas component looks like it slips in the exact same way. It's going to come into the back. And it looks like there's a screw here and a screw here, and it actually came with 4 other screws. So this will attach directly back there for the gas. And when it's in there, you will still have this piece, which is also inside, and we'll put that together when I actually put this together and get ready to use it. We'll put this inside where you can still put your wood and charcoal. So the beauty of this oven, and that's the reason I really wanted to try it, is that it's a smaller oven. It has some competition, but the reason that I think this one is going to beat the competition is because it's the only one that allows you to use both gas and wood at the same time. We're going to test it out and see, but so far it's pretty awesome. So we've got the pieces are the gas component, the wood and charcoal, and again here the wood. This is for the wood or charcoal pieces that you want to use. It has a beautiful floor for cooking pizzas on. Take that off. And it looks like it just fits nicely right in here on top of the little pegs. So I put it in there with the little pegs in it. And then we've got our little door that sits right there. So these are all the pieces that come with the Bertello. So I think in my next video, I'm going to have this thing fired up and we're going to test it out and make some pizzas. I'm looking forward to it.